Light is one of the most mysterious and fundamental forces in the universe. It surrounds us, illuminates our world, and enables us to see, yet its nature is far more complex than it appears. Without light, life as we know it would not exist, and much of the universe would remain hidden in darkness. Scientists have spent centuries unraveling the mysteries of light, and yet, even today, it continues to surprise us. From its astonishing speed to its bizarre quantum properties, light behaves in ways that challenge our understanding of physics. Here are 5 amazing things about light that reveal just how extraordinary it truly is. One of the most incredible aspects of light is its speed. It is the fastest thing in the universe. In a vacuum, light travels at approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, or about 186,282 miles per second. This means that light from the sun takes just about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth, despite being nearly 150 million kilometers, 93 million miles, away. If you could travel at the speed of light, you could circle the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. This incredible speed has profound implications for space travel and time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as an object approaches the speed of light, time slows down for it relative to an observer. This means that if astronauts could ever travel at light speed, time would pass differently for them compared to people on Earth, a concept known as time dilation. If you left Earth on a spaceship moving at nearly the speed of light and returned years later, you might have aged only a little, while decades or even centuries could have passed on Earth. Another astonishing thing about light is that it behaves both as a wave and a particle, a phenomenon known as wave-particle duality. In some experiments, light behaves like a wave, spreading out and creating interference patterns, much like ripples in water. In other cases, light behaves as a stream of particles, called photons, which can strike objects individually like tiny bullets. This strange behavior was one of the key discoveries of quantum physics and challenges our classical understanding of matter. The famous double-slit experiment demonstrated this bizarre property. When light is passed through 2 narrow slits, it creates an interference pattern like a wave. However, when the experiment is observed, light behaves like particles, as if it knows it's being watched. This experiment raises deep questions about the nature of reality and suggests that the act of observation may influence the behavior of light and matter. One of the most incredible properties of light is its ability to be bent, slowed down, or even stopped. While light normally travels at an astonishing speed, it slows down when passing through different materials. For instance, when light enters water or glass, it bends, a phenomenon known as refraction. This is why a straw in a glass of water appears bent or why a prism can separate white light into a rainbow of colors. Scientists have even found ways to slow light down to a near stop by passing it through ultra-cold gases or special materials called Bose-Einstein condensates. In one experiment, light was slowed to just 17 meters per second, about the speed of a bicycle. In another, scientists managed to stop light completely, trapping it inside specially engineered materials. These discoveries could revolutionize technology, potentially leading to new forms of quantum computing and advanced optical communication systems. Light is also capable of traveling through empty space, unlike sound, which requires a medium like air or water to move. This is why we can see light from distant stars and galaxies, but we cannot hear any sounds in space. The reason for this is that light is an electromagnetic wave, meaning it consists of oscillating electric and magnetic fields that can propagate through the vacuum of space. This ability allows light from distant celestial objects to reach us even across billions of light-years. Some of the light we see from faraway galaxies today actually left those galaxies billions of years ago, meaning we are looking into the past when we observe the night sky. The cosmic microwave background radiation, for instance, is the afterglow of the Big Bang, and studying it allows scientists to look back nearly 13.8 billion years into the history of the universe. Perhaps one of the most unexpected facts about light is that it can actually exert pressure, a phenomenon known as radiation pressure. Although light has no mass, its photons carry momentum, and when they strike an object, they can transfer some of that momentum to it. This effect is usually too small to notice in everyday life, but in space, it can be used to propel objects. Scientists are developing solar sails, which harness the pressure of sunlight to push spacecraft forward without the need for fuel. The Japanese space agency JAXA successfully tested this technology with its Icaro spacecraft, which used a large, ultra-thin sail to move through space powered solely by light from the sun. In the future, similar technology could be used for deep space exploration, potentially allowing spacecraft to travel vast distances without relying on conventional propulsion systems. Light is one of the most fascinating and essential forces in our universe. It defines how we see the world, enables plants to grow through photosynthesis, allows us to communicate via fiber optics, and even plays a crucial role in the fabric of space and time itself. Its dual nature, its ability to travel through space, and its role in shaping our understanding of physics make it one of the most extraordinary aspects of existence. As scientists continue to study the nature of light, they uncover even more incredible mysteries, pushing the boundaries of what we know about the universe. Whether it's unlocking the secrets of quantum mechanics or paving the way for future space travel, the study of light continues to be one of the most exciting fields in science.